Evolutionists and atheists are the biggest critics of creationism, and rightly so. They disagree vehemently with the way these artifacts are being interpreted. Let's look at it like a puzzle and put it together. I'm going to show you a few of these, and you tell me what you think. This right here is from the Gilgamesh epic. It was written in 1800 BC. It is essentially what Moses wrote, but a little bit different. If there was no worldwide flood, would we see multiple accounts of a worldwide flood expressed in culture? Here, this is travertine. How old would you say this is? Well, you could probably guess that it's very old. However, there is a fountain that's no more than 100 years old. And this fountain right here is accumulating 1 to 2 inches of travertine every year. Look at that thing. It's 20 feet tall and I don't know how many feet thick. Rock can form quickly, and in a worldwide flood context, this would have to happen. This is a fossilized tree or petrified tree. How old is this? According to this could be extremely young. Here's sandstone. It's gorgeous. Was this laid down during the worldwide flood, or was this over the course of millions of years? Interesting. How about this hand right here? This handprint is in sandstone. It's a sign of age of over 200 million years, yet we see a human hand is... Look, the critics say that's a salamander. Does that look like a salamander to you? Or does it look like somebody who fell down or was getting up off the deck and most of the pressure went... Okay, you get what I'm saying. Now here's something right here. Dinosaur print. Dinosaurs died, what, 66 million years ago? Yet in the same limestone strata, in the Paluxy River in Glen Rose, you find a paw print. And these bad boys, according to evolution and paleontology, lived 350,000 years ago. 350,000, 66 million. And then you have a human footprint in the same limestone. And that could only be what? 3-4 million, but not that size. Look at that. So if it was a worldwide flood, then all of these would be caught up together, including this, and that would attest to it. One last thing, how about the fact that these never change? This is millions and millions and millions of years old. It's a fossil of a nautilus. Here's what it looks like today. They say that the reason why it didn't change is because the nautilus was perfect to begin with. Really? Is that really true? Or is there only about a few thousand-year difference between the two, and they were created like this, not evolved? There you have it. That's just part of the puzzle. Creation or evolution? Which one? Really? Which one?